Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix video still processing in Google Drive. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Google Drive. Once you open Google Drive, you will find your videos in Google Drive that you uploaded. And here you can see that I have videos. I am able to see the video here, as you can see that, but some people are facing here an issue or that video is still in processing. Then you need to click on the right mouse cursor and click on share, and once you click on that, you have the option. You simply need to allow the person, you can see that, anyone with the link. So here you can find a link. You simply need to copy that link, and once you share that link with any other person, he is able to watch the video without any issue of processing. So this is a process by which you can fix video still processing on Google Drive. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.